How to fix Messenger video call sound problem. The first thing you want to do is check your phone's volume if it is up or not. If it is up, you should hear it. And if it is on silent mode or not, because an iPhone you can silent your phone, so make sure it's on. And then you want to click on settings. Inside settings, scroll all the way down and click on apps at the bottom. Over here you want to search for Messenger. Once you see Messenger over here, click on Messenger. Inside here you want to click on where it says microphone turn on, camera turn it on. Once you do that, try to call again and see if it works. It should. If it still doesn't work, switch off your phone, turn it on again. Some kind of bug caused the issue. It will be fixed if you do that. If it still doesn't work, the last option, just delete your Messenger app and reinstall it again. That should probably fix it. And if it's still not fixed, then probably your phone's speaker is damaged. Try to take it to a shop or try to listen to other videos. If you can listen other video sound but not the call sound, then it might be the other person might have muted his mic. So tell him to unmute his mic. That could also be the issue. Hope you understand. Subscribe to our channel.